This is a fully trimmed dash top panel for the Austin Healey BJ7 and BJ8 cars. So that's the 3000 Mark II and Mark III, I believe. It's fully trimmed up, which we can offer, or we can offer a retrim kit where you just get the materials that allow you to do this. That kit, see the other video for it, but it includes basically vinyl or leather, depending on what you want for the actual face material, and the foam that pads it out. Separately as well, we can sell the plywood panel on its own, and as well we can sell the rubber crash roll that sits in there, or you can just get us to do all the hard work and we do it all for you and trim it up very nicely. So it's plywood, it's got a subtle curve to it, that's original there. It's got these fixing brackets here, it's got all the necessary slots and grooves in there for the vents, etc., and rear view mirrors, etc. It's got, just here you can see the metalwork trimmed down the left and right edges for attaching to the car and covering up those side areas around the A-post windscreen areas. It's been fully trimmed up. This one's vinyl, as original for the BJ7 and BJ8s. Note that the BJ8s were originally always black. We can do them in colours if you prefer. See our website for further details. But this is original for the BJ8. Obviously, the BJ7s, they went with the main colour. So if you had red trim, this would be red. BJ8s, it was always black. Black generally in that area helps to deal with the glare from the windscreen reflecting in sunlight, so it's quite useful sometimes to consider black in that area. It was a commonly done thing on a lot of classic cars. But yeah, fully trimmed up. This is in vinyl, trimmed round. You can see this has got the rubber. If I poke that in there, that's got the crash roll rubber in there. It's a D-shaped rubber, and as you can see, very nicely trimmed all the way around. Stamp of approval always. So yeah, let us know what version you want.